The inability to handle competition. Cognitive and social emotional. And why can't I handle competition? Because everybody gets a trophy, right? Everybody gets a blue ribbon. Everybody's a winner. And we're not going to keep score. Let's not keep score. We don't want to hurt anyone's feelings. The worst thing you can do is not keep score. This is how our kids get into fights. This is how our kids get into situations they can't handle. This is why they can't handle competition. This is why I have kids who are coming out of 4-year colleges who want to go into the workplace and start up here. Because they went to this college, they got this degree, and they got this grade. Why am I not getting the corner office? I'm not working for that. Well, you're not going to work here at all. And then they go, what happened? I didn't get the job. They mistreated me. That's it. That's it. I'm calling my mom. All right? And before you know it, mom shows up at the workplace. We paid $142,000 for this education. You're going to pay my child $32,000? And I'm like, yes, ma'am, that's what happens. That's how you break into this business. And then I call security and I have them both removed. And now your $142,000 just went right down the toilet. All right? So we got to be careful that we're not setting kids up to fail by not teaching them how to handle competition. Get them in there. Get it to be healthy. Play those games. Keep score. Have board games in your classroom. I know too many kids who get up and leave because they're losing. I'm not playing anymore. I don't know how to lose. I don't know how to lose with grace. That's it. You know, there was a school that banned, this drove me crazy. There was a school that banned handshakes after the athletic game. You know how you line up and you shake the hands of the other kids or a high five or whatever? They banned it because they said it was really hurting the feelings of the kids who lost. How debilitating is that? Yes, so they were spitting in their hands, hey. Just make sure you wash your hands after you shake hands with the other team, all right? Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.